exquisite, a terrific song. Hey y'all, how are you all doing? So I'll be reacting to a brand new audio called, to be honest, I'm not really sure what the heck is this title, but it's a brand new track though, right? So guys, without further ado, and if you guys are new, don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash the subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. As you guys can see in the background here, that's my Jamaican flag. That's my Brazilian flag. I'm a big fan of Brazil, so I represent them a lot, right? So without further ado, guys, let's see what's up in this particular audio song. I love them though. I do love them. I love them so much. They are like so full of vibe. Let's dive in.
Shokora katabra. Shokora de kakidasu mahou. Yoku mite seiza no sei.
Here we go again. The audio. They are really good. Really good in the sense that voices are lovely and the animations are really fantastic.
魔法のファクトリーは深夜愛を作り出してんだガチった瞬間ラピカが生んだ口に弱くて真剣な音でスポットライトの熱内緒の呪文さ夢の合言葉はショコラカタブラ
Fascinating, just fascinating, right? I love all the way they constructed this video, in fact this animation, because the reason why I've pulled in myself into the audios world or rabbit hole is because they have some really fantastic animations, and the way how these animations are drawn, the storyline, it's all perfect. To be honest, I'm really loving the vibe, I'm really loving the instrumental, the beats, everything is just so on par, right? There are these type of people who I really take a liking to, especially when it comes on to the animation process, right? The audios are really stunning, really stunning, right? And also have some incredible story in the video as well. Whoa, I gotta say the song is called Chocolate Cadabra. Let's say Chocolate Cadabra, right? And it is quite a beautiful thing, right? To know that we have someone who we literally love, and it is just so cute to know that animation itself is showing us love, is showing us how to appreciate our loved ones whenever time they are around us. And I really do love this. This is quite a well written animation. The name fits amazingly. Have you guys ever have someone who let you dance, right, in a world of illusions? This is what the Hardo is saying right here. It is quite perfect because you love that person to the extent where you are just doing it without knowing it's an illusion, right? But just because of love, nothing more to say. This is amazing. I love it. I always compliment the music, right? The instrument, right? But I'm not really sure what type of instrument they are using. If you guys have any idea, please educate me. I'm really looking for you guys' education because I really want to learn more about the audio because they are really astounding people.
もっと美味しくなれ月の夜に書き添いでエンドフィンテージ待ってるかけげそう少年と中のダンスをねおいで抜け出そうか太陽系
Whoa, whoa, I gotta say, bro. I gotta say, I can bet, right? It's a woman in this animation, obviously. But the way she classed that young man to say, hey, little boy, come and dance with me. It's like that boy is an hesitation unto her, right? He's hesitating to dance with her. But I can understand when someone loves someone, it's always this eager to go and to face with that someone. It's kind of a shy process though. So I guess the guy is shy and she's like, hey, little boy, come and dance with me. Wow. Wow. Oh, this is really a fantastic animation with an awesome storytelling as well. Because it's quite factual, it's quite true.
Taste me and not place me in this fantasy will play Shokora katabura
Damn, they are good. They are really good. Exquisite, a terrific song. I hope this guy really accepts her for who she is because she's crying out onto him, right? She's saying, hey, the sun is very hot, right? Can the sun compare to my love that I have for you? Bro, that is so nice. Cute. That was really beautiful. I love the vocals of the voice. I love how they project the voice. I love everything about this. This is quite a fascinating show. A well done job. Alright guys, so thank you all so much for watching. I do hope you guys did enjoy my reaction. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.